So we'll start creating our beams. So first of all, we need to move to level 1. Create the first beam from this first column. Turn off 3D snapping. And then reference plane to level 1. Draw straight line. To 3D. That's your first beam. What you need to do, select this, go back to level 1, then you can copy. 1, 2, 3. There. Select all, hold the control, CC for copy, and copy it to the other side. Now we have all those beams on the side. Then the last beam for level 1 will be this one here. From here to here. Right. That one. Select that. You can copy from that grid to that grid. So the beams for level 1 are done now. What we need to do, we need to move to level 2. So we create a new view. Select both of these. Right, open level 2. Then you show level 1. Okay. What we need to do, go to structure, create a beam. You go to east, you can see east. See, there's a reference plane there, which is roof north. So you can go to level 2, structure, create a beam. Need to insert a new beam. So go to beams. That beam size is, what's the beam size? ST1. It's 310. 310 will be for 60. 310. Done with that. Here. So we need to find the center line for this one. Just drawing detail lines, you can see your center line from there. So what I can do, create one from here, there. Move to east, align. It's not aligning. Delete again, go to level 2, create a beam. Move this one to roof north. Then create the center of that column. This one. You move to east, and you have that one there. Okay. So what you can do, you can mirror it across, and you've got your 2 beams there. So what we need to do with this is we need to create a connection. So creating a connection, all you have to do, you go to structure, under connection, you have the small arrow, click onto that arrow, and these are all the connection you need to load it in. So you click on one, first one, right, go right to the bottom, then you click on Alt and Shift, then you click on the last one. Okay, add all, okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a connection to these two, select both, go to structure or steel, one of those two, then you can click on connection. So since you selected connection, you can't see the connection there. All you have to do, you type in VG for visual graphics, go right down to structural connections here at that plus sign, then you tick all of these boxes. okay, and then you change your view graphics to fine. Select that. Now you're going to click on properties, then you're going to select the type of connection you're going to use. So I'm going to use this knee off frame bolted with horns. Once you select that, now you can see that's your connection. Same thing you added to the other side. One, select one, two, hold on, control to select. Then you go to steel connection, and you can change it to your frame. Then you can put a connection to the apex, steel connection, and you can select apex horns. Now you select these two beams, select all the connections, move to level 1, copy, and you move to grids. Go back to 3D. Now you've moved all those beams with a connection onto those grids. Okay, so that's how we will do the structural framing for this one and the connections.